Hey nieces and nephews, it's your Uncle Chris. Alright, it's the next day and I've let the chicken stock cook all night. And I got Jay as my cameraman, he's feeling better. Alright, Jay, get a shot of this. Let them see how it looks.
Ain't
see
that
how it's
cool?
cooked down? Yeah. Guess what we're gonna do, Jay?
I have no idea.
Make our lemon pepper chicken soup. We got some great stock and I'm about to add it and to the cream part.
Grape stock?
Great. Not
Oh,
great.
I thought you said grape.
Okay, guys. Finger out of the camera. Okay, guys. Meet me over at the stove or the hot plate, and I'm going to show you how we do it. Bye. We're right at the stove. Now, what you're going to need is a stick of butter.
A stick?
I know, but we're making a lot of soup. Okay?
Chris, can we please lower that to half? I mean,
Did y'all hear that? Did y'all hear that? Excuse me for one moment.
Ah, help! Help! Help me!
Just joking. Also, we're going to take half a cup of flour.
So what is this soup, actually?
This is the lemon pepper soup, but I'm going to show you 2 recipes with this, okay?
Alright.
How you can take this lemon pepper soup and turn it into something totally different with just 1 ingredient.
And what is that?
Southwest corn.
Oh, I'm assuming that's what this is.
Yes, yes.
Whole kernel Southwest corn with poblano, and red peppers.
Now,
It looks
see?
really buttery.
this is just like a roux, okay? This is going to thicken the soup, so it won't be thin. All right? Now, we're going to take 2 more. Salt-free.
Chicken bouillon. But isn't like a little salt required to make it taste semi-good?
No. You can add salt later at the table if you need to, okay? For those who could do a little salt. We're going to put 2 of these in here because we want that chicken flavor all through the cream as well. We want it
Alright.
nicely concentrated.
Me personally, I like thinner soups. What do you think?
Yes. Y'all, what do you like? Thick or thin soup?
Comment down below.
I like thin. I like thin. I'm thin. No, thick. I'm not saying. Thick. I like my soups thick.
Also, here's a real joke for real. What does the hammerhead say after a long day's worth of work?
What does the hammerhead say?
Nailed it.
Little ting. Now that you got your butter and your seasonings incorporated. All right. Now look, everybody. Look what's happening now. This is going to thicken the soup. Okay? Now while you're at this point, I'm going to add in all our chicken. I've deboned it and shredded it up.
Ooh. So, what exactly is this soup?
Right now, it is a lemon pepper chicken soup. You can add rice to it
Interesting.
and have lemon rice soup. You can add ramen noodles to it and have it lemon ramen.
Comment down below what's your favorite side to soups.
Now, you can leave it like that as is. Or, you can do what I'm about to do. Now, hold on. Now, we're going to add.
And Chris.
We're going to add some cream.
I gotta taste that.
We're going to add at least 2 cups of cream to this. Okay? All right.
Wow, folks, look at that.
Okay, nieces and nephews. I have put in here the chicken, 2 cups of cream, and
Where is it? I
2
don't-
more packets of the salt-free
Bouillon.
bouillon. All right.
Chicken flavor.
Now you can add some more lemon pepper to this and just keep it a creamy lemon pepper soup. But your Uncle Chris
Does things differently.
yes. Now don't forget, this is how you make the lemon soup. You can add rice to this and have the Greek lemon rice soup. You can add ramen to this, have lemon ramen soup. I'm gonna add a can of Southwest corn. A can of Southwest corn.
Well, that was corny.
Add the Southwest corn, and this becomes Southwest corn chowder. That's 2 soups out of 1, nieces and nephews, okay? Seriously. Now you see how thick the soup is getting? Remember, I deboned the chicken. Took it out first.
That means no bones.
I strained in the juice. Then I added the cream, 2 cups worth.
Don't add
a
milk.
whole stick of butter, and a half cup of flour. Now I'm adding in.
Southwest corn.
Yes.
I want to stir it. I want to stir it.
All right. He's stirring.
All right, folks. Looking good. Probably 5 more. 1, 2. Count with me. 3, 4, 5. Also, by the way, comment down below if you have soup as a main course or as a side. And if it's a main course, also comment down below what sides you like to have.
Yes. Oh, by the way, I asked you guys to guess how tall Uncle Chris was. Well, Miss Remy, I hope I'm saying that correctly. Guess right. Your Uncle Chris is 6'1".
Actually, no, he shrunk. He's 6.5.
I am 6'1".
Chris, you're 54 years old.
What?
54 years.
Don't announce my age.
Actually, you're 56. I was just trying to be nice.
No. We won't talk about my age. Anyway.
Don't worry, folks. He's old and decrepit. That's all.
Anyway. All right, y'all.
I'm horrible.
All right, y'all. My soup is ready. Or I should say our soup is ready. I'm going to dish up some. Yes, it is getting back to that time.
Christmas!
Soup weather. Yeah, well, Halloween first.
I think my favorite months are probably going to be from September 1st to January 1st. Those are my favorite months. And my birthday is somewhere in between October and December. Try to guess it.
All right. Let's give us a try on this soup here. Oh my God.
We always say that.
It is good. Yeah.
But he's not a bad cook, guys. Whatever I may say about him being old and decrepit, he's a very good cook.
Like, comment, and
smash that subscribe button, whether
That's
it's with
right.
your bowl, maybe your piece of corn, or maybe your can opener that you used for the corn.
All right.
Smash that subscribe button.
all right, nieces and nephews. Till next time, this is Big Love from your Uncle Chris. Showed you 2 soups tonight. Let me know which one is your favorite, which one you're going to make.
All right. Bye-bye for now, folks.